So I felt like, I'm always inside the car and everything. I'm always going places. Like, let me just chill for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Let me just stay stationary for a little while. I'm working at the moment, so why not just knock out a Q-Tip Fridays at the same time, So, this topic is going to be based off of, I feel like a lot of people can relate to this as well as they start coming up in their journey and that kind of stuff. Being humble. Hey man, like, be more humble, bro. Be more humble, man. You're doing too much. Be more humble. I'm pretty sure a lot of people get that as they're starting to come up, as things are starting to change. They start making more, so they start doing more. All these things, right? So what I think about that is, fuck being humble. That's gonna be the name of this entire video. Fuck being humble. Why? Because I feel like as you come from a certain place, right? As you come from a certain place, obviously, you can only do what you can based off of what you currently have and where you currently are. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't have much going on, then you're not gonna show that you have much going on. Like, it's common sense. But as time goes on and you start making more, you start being around more people, you start being around like a different kind of network, you start just being around just more, you're gonna want to do more as well. All right. So what I think about that is, like, I say fuck being humble because people think that as you grow and as you achieve more and that kind of stuff, you have to pretty much act like the person that you used to be, that the person that they used to know. So they don't understand that you're growing at the same time. As you're making more, you're obviously going to be growing in some kind of way, like how some people say, damn Q, I love how humble you are, bro. Like, you stick with the Vans, bro. You don't worry about the designer shit. Listen, I could easily go buy a fucking designer. Like, that's not even an issue. I just fuck with Vans, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like me being humble by I'm wearing Vans to be humble. Nah, I just fuck with Vans, so I just wear Vans. Like, simple as that. It's not overthinking it. It's not overdoing it. It's like literally like, I like what I like. You know what I'm saying? Like, regardless of how much money I'm making, that kind of shit, I like what I like. And it so happened that what I like is $45 a shoe. That's what it is, So it's not like I'm being humble. It's just I know where to spend my big bucks. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like cars. So my cars are all over $100, $200, $300, $400, $500,000 because that's what I like. You know what I'm saying? As far as clothes, I don't really put a lot of money in clothes for the main fact that I don't really see the need in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like to be able to dress, and if I fuck up this shirt, like right now, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, I care less about it. So that all started from, I got that mindset in this one case that we were going to this Christmas party, all right? I bought a $900 Gucci shirt. Dope shirt. Like, I think I posted a picture of it like a long time ago, a couple years ago. And for some reason, I got one wear out of it. You know what I'm saying? $900. What was it? Not JCPenney's, Macy's. And was it JCPenney's? I don't remember what store I got it from, but $900. I washed it one time. After that, it was like a size medium. It was terrible. I couldn't wear it again. So $900 shirt, literally, like, it went to waste. You know what I'm saying? So that's why, I like wearing like my plain black tees, my plain white tees, like a graphic shirt here and there, that kind of stuff. Because I like to just dress and not feel like, well, on my everyday type of wear, I like to dress so if I fuck up what I'm wearing, I don't really care about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can fuck up my shoes, all right, cool, that's $45. I can fuck up my shirt, all right, cool, that's $20. I can fuck up my shorts, all right, cool, that's probably like $60 or $100. Like that kind of shit. Because whenever you're dripped out every single day, it's like, you can't really do too much. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, we gotta fucking, I don't know, some spontaneous shit. Like, bro, let's jump off this fucking bridge and jump into a lake. Damn, man, but my clothes cost a couple $1,000s, man. Fuck, I can't even do that. But listen, we like to have fun. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it, some spontaneous shit. These shorts cost $60, whatever, shirt, whatever. Take the shit off, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I don't like to be so restricted on my everyday life. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen. So like, I'm not gonna be dripped out every single day. Like, you know, like I like to dress comfortable and nice. But is that me being humble? Not at all. It's just what I like in my everyday status and that kind of stuff, in my everyday wear, just so happen to not be expensive. You know, so whenever a person says that, you know, be more humble and that kind of stuff, I feel like it's just more them trying to put you down to their level so they can feel a bit more comfortable about what they have going on, you know? So they could feel insecure in some kind of way because you're doing something that, by all means, they might say, oh, nah, like, I don't care about that kind of shit, bro. Like, you know, but if they were in that position, they would probably be doing the same shit too. You know, like, some people would say, like, yo, man, like, fuck all that, man. Like, if I had money, this and that, I wouldn't be doing this, I wouldn't be doing that, blah, 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 blah. You know, like, the what if thing is always, like, I don't do hypotheticals too much because it's not what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, if a person was in your position, like, if, let's say if you're in a position of just, you do what you want, that kind of shit, the person that says, why are you doing that? I would have done this. They would do anything to fucking get inside that spot. To get inside your position, they would do anything. So they say certain things and that kind of stuff just to make themselves feel a bit better about what they have going on, or what they don't really have much going on, you know? They say stuff just so they could feel just better about themselves, which is quite understandable, honestly, but at the same time, like, if you ain't got shit going on, then, I mean, I feel bad for you, you know what I'm saying? Because if a person has worked so hard to just, you know, get more and do more and, like, live in abundance and that kind of stuff, listen, by all means, ball the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? Like, why be humble? Like, you're only alive for so long. You know what I'm saying? You're only living for so long. You're only young for so long. Ball the fuck out. Like, why have you been working so hard in the first place? To just be humble the entire time? That's whack. That's for the birds. Like, turn the fuck up. Like, if you're getting better at your craft and your finances and you're able to do more and that kind of shit, then do more. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't feel like you have to be humble based off of another person's standards because they feel some kind of way about what you have going on, just so they won't feel as behind or that kind of shit. Nah, listen, if you're getting more and making more and doing all this other shit, then do fucking more. Listen, like, if you want to get a private jet just to go across the country, you know, for, let's say, a couple days, like a weekend out, fuck it, then do it. Like, there's nothing wrong about that. And then you should never feel bad about doing something super luxurious or super lavish just so, oh damn, man, like, I don't want to seem like I'm not humble. Like, listen, like, fuck all that. Why are you working so hard then? To be regular? To be basic? You know, like, live your life. You know, like, we're only here for so long, so listen, live it up by all means. Like, if you want to do some lavish shit, fuck it. You know, and fuck what other people think when it comes down to you doing those things, because if it makes them feel some kind of way, then they got to reevaluate what they have going on. It has nothing to do with you. It's literally all personal. It's all personal. So as you're going through your days and, like, your come up and that kind of stuff, listen, fuck being humble. Live that shit up. Turn the fuck up. Because we're only here for so long. You know what I'm saying? So don't make anybody feel like you're doing too much or you gotta tone it down. Fuck all that. That's their issue. You know what I'm saying? So this right here was switch up of a scene, Q-Tip Fridays. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna holler at you guys. Leave your feedback in the comments. I would love those, because that's why I do these things, because I want to see the feedback. I want to see people's thought process on all these things. So I'm gonna holler at you guys until next Friday. Peace out.